What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's a cold day today, but yeah, today's gonna be another Rover video. So we just pulled up at a client's house right now, but I figured that I would take you guys through kind of what a day is like, just doing some drop-ins and some walks. So like I said, like on my last video, if you guys didn't watch it, I do lots of drop-ins and walks. Usually the drop-ins are like anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes, where I just go to the client's house, let the dogs out, feed them water, snacks, whatever they want, and then go home. Or I go take dogs on walks, like the one that I'm about to do right now, JJ. So JJ, I walk every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and it's like he lives like the next neighborhood over for me, so it's like a $15 per walk. And then I go straight back over to my neighborhood for a dog that I do a drop-in on every single day. And it's like a 10-minute drop-in. I literally just go over there, let the dog out to go to the bathroom and leave. And then directly following that, I have to go up the street maybe like a mile, and I'm doing a 30-minute drop-in for 2 dogs. So I have basically 3 appointments within 1 hour, which that's actually nice. Like, I like it when it's like that, because I was just sitting on my couch watching a movie at home. Now I'm leaving my house for an hour to go do 3 little jobs. It's like $60 for an hour of my time. And then I'm gonna go back home and sit on my couch and just hang out. I have 2 dogs right now that are at my house getting boarded. They're there for like a week and a week and a half. So when I leave for an hour, I just put them both in their crates. So making my money off of my dogs that are getting boarded right now at my house, plus I can step out and go do this. But if you guys are curious what it's like to have to walk the dogs or to do drop-ins, I'll just film a little bit, kind of show you what I do with each of these dogs. I'm not going to film the insides of these people's houses, obviously. Like, I'm going to respect their privacy and not show addresses or anything inside their house or whatever, but I will film the dogs, kind of show you what I do with them and stuff like that. But like I said earlier, like in the last video, this is an awesome side hustle. I love Rover. It's so easy. You can make pretty good money doing it, especially it's just your off time. And if you like dogs like I do, it's a really cool little side hustle. So let's stop the chit chat. Let's go get JJ. I'll show you him real quick, and let's go take him on his little walk around the neighborhood real quick. All right, first walk of the day. This is JJ. Can everybody say hi, JJ? Hi, JJ. Hello. So we are we're gonna go walk him right now, and we usually do about a mile. Oh, yeah, he likes to pull. Yeah, he's an energetic one, but yep, and he's going to the bathroom. But yeah, we do a mile walk through his neighborhood. Super nice day out, really nice neighborhood. And yeah, it's a 30-minute walk for him, so it comes out roughly almost exactly to a mile every single time I walk. I like it, so I get some exercise doing it. I get to walk around outside. It's nice weather outside. It's a little chilly today, but it's good. So yeah, I'll walk him, and then we're gonna go over to this next house in a little bit, and we'll let out Griffin. Griffin's the other dog, but JJ's good. He's got lots of little friends in the neighborhood. He likes to bark at and see when he walks by. It's super easy to walk. So he's one of my favorites. But you see him right there, just sniffing around. Such a fun job. I love it. But all right, we'll get this one wrapped up, and then I'll take you guys over, and you guys can meet Griffin. All right. Whew, man, you can see how red my face is, but seatbelt on. We are done with JJ's walk. We are now heading over to Griffin, and then we're going over to walk Bentley after that. Let me make sure I don't run this guy over real quick. But yeah, we got a pretty busy week this week. Like I said at last video, I kind of broke down like prices and realistically how much you can make anywhere from, I mean, it really depends, $1,000 to $4,000 a month, depending on like how active you are and stuff. Like this week, for example, pending I don't get any more drop-in requests or anything this weekend, I know I made like $975 this week, because I had JJ on his 3 walks. I have Griffin with his drop-ins Monday through Friday. I've got Chikora, who does daycare Monday through Friday at my house. And then I've got Bentley, which is a drop-in that I'm doing today. And then I had another client that had 7 dogs, and I had to do 6 drop-ins for her, and so that was like a couple $100 right there, and she tipped me pretty good. And then that was on like Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. And then I've got Ted and Duke right now that are boarding at my house for the week, for most of the week, or one of them or whatever. But yeah, it comes out to like $975 for the week on Rover. And like I said, this is just a side hustle for me. That's on top of my normal like 9-to-5 job that I work, plus like my apparel brand I own, plus social media influencing, like all that stuff. So and Etsy, e-commerce, all that stuff. So an extra basically $1,000 a week in your pocket for walking some dogs and hanging out with some dogs for 30 minutes, or letting some dogs hang out at your house for a week is pretty awesome. That's why I highly encourage that people do this, because you don't really need special equipment or training or education for this. It's just an easy way to put extra money in your pocket if you have the time to do it. So like I said, go out there, walk some dogs. It's worth it, I promise you. And yeah, we're about to pull up over to Griffin's house right now, so let's go meet him. All right, this is Griffin. Everybody say hi, Griffin. What's up, buddy? What's up, man? Griffin. He likes to sunbathe and kind of just lay in the grass. And yeah, so he's the one. I come over here every Monday through Friday. He lives just a couple doors down from me. And it's just a 10-minute let out because his mom works during the day, so he pretty much just needs somebody to let him out for 10 minutes. He comes out here, does his business in the yard, and he will sit there and sunbathe for 10 minutes, gets a snack, and then he goes right back inside, and I'm on my way. So I love little small jobs like this because they're super simple, because I can take 10 minutes out of my day and come and do this. Plus, he's very low maintenance. He likes to just kind of hang out and lounge. So definitely one of my favorites, and grateful to have this one as a client. But we'll let him go to the bathroom, we'll give him his treat, and then we'll get on our way. Griffin, you want your treat? Sit. You want your treat? There you go. Good job. You ready to go inside? All right, yeah, so we just wrapped up our second to last visit for the day, and we're gonna hit the post office though on the way, because I got some Etsy orders that I gotta go mail out. Yeah, so the post office is actually on the way, and I got like 7 or 8 license plates I gotta mail out, and some decals, obviously from my Etsy shop that I run. So we'll knock that on the way, and then we're heading right onto the Chesapeake border here, and we're gonna go take care of Bentley. This is Zoe, and we got Bentley. Say hi. Hello. All right, so we've got them for the next 30 minutes. They're out here gonna run around and play for a little bit. Nice little fenced-in area they got right here, so get to play with them for 30 minutes, and then that is it for my drop-ins for the day. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any questions about Rover, let me know, because I make a pretty good little side hustle on here, and I enjoy it. And I've only been doing this for about 8 months, so it just gets busier and busier and busier. But I can definitely tell you guys the good and the bad and what I've learned and all that. I price my stuff pretty low compared to everybody else, so next year I'll probably up the prices. I just wanted to get reviews and get a lot of clients and stuff, so probably in 2025, any new clients I bring in, I probably will up all my prices by $5 and keep all my old clients at the grandfather pricing and stuff. But say bye to these little guys right here, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.